You want to take control of your money and manage your wealth like a pro? Keep watching to discover the best finance tools that it's going to help you make smart decisions with your money. So this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now let me tell you something. Managing wealth can be overwhelming, especially when you have so many, things to keep track of. But with the right tools, you can organize your finances, you can invest wisely, you can stay on top of your goals, okay? These finance tools that I'm going to share with you here will make managing your wealth easier and more effective. So here are the best finance tools to help you manage your wealth. We got Mint, which helps you track your spending and helps you to stick to your budget. Okay? Number 2, you got Personal Capital. Personal Capital allows you to manage your investments and track your net worth. Third one, we got YNAB, standing for You Need a Budget. It teaches you how to plan and save for your financial goals. You got Acorns, which helps you invest your spare change automatically, making it easy to grow your wealth. Then there's Betterment. Betterment is a robo-advisor, which helps you invest wisely and manage your retirement savings. All right? Now, using these tools are going to give you the power to stay organized, to make smart decisions, and to grow your wealth for the future. Now, if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.